avoiding climate breakdown, preventing conflict, violence, and persecution. There's a common theme, an underlying force behind so many of the problems we face: corruption, the way that money is stolen, laundered, and spent. From gemstones funding war to illegal logging in climate-critical forests, from land clearances that rob people of their homes to oil deals that enrich elites while ordinary citizens live in poverty. From rigged elections to the brutal silencing of those who speak the truth. We see corruption at every stage. Global Witness protects human rights and the environment by fearlessly confronting corruption and challenging the systems that enable it. We expose the people and companies that profit from some of the world's worst environmental devastation and human rights abuses, and change the system so they can't get away with it anymore. Join us in our fight against corruption. www.globalwitness.org